Hi students, question number 5 is which of the following has the highest number of significant figures? Now we have studied significant figures are defined as what? The number of meaningful digits in a given number. So 4 numbers are given. We are going to check which of the 4 numbers has the highest number of significant figures. So I will first take the first number 0.007 meter square. Now we have studied one rule that if the number is less than 1, the zeros on the left side of the decimal point they have no significance. So this 0 has no significance. Also the zeros on the right side of the decimal point. These zeros are on the right side of the decimal point and also to the left side of the first non-zero digit. First non-zero digit is 7. So these zeros also do not have any significance. So this number is having only one significant figure, that is 7. Now the second number you take 2.64 into 10 raised to the power 24 kilogram. Now very clearly the 10 powers do not have any significance. The remaining all the 3 digits are non-zero numbers, non-zero digits. Okay, they have significance. Therefore 2.64, okay, this number is having 3 significant figures. Then you take this third number, that is 0.000 followed by 6032 meter square. Now in this number like this, the 0 on the left side of the decimal has no significance and the 3 zeros on the right side of the decimal point. Okay, these 3 zeros are to the right side of the decimal point and to the left side of the first non-zero digit, namely 6. They also do not have any significance. The remaining 4 digits 6032 have significance. This 0 between 6 and 3 definitely has a significance. So 6032. So 4 significant figures. It has 4 significant figures. The last number, okay, 6.3200. In this number, which is ending with 2 zeros, numbers having a decimal point and there are 2 trailing zeros. These trailing zeros definitely have significance if the number is having a decimal and also it is followed by a measurement, namely joule. Therefore, the 2 zeros and the remaining 3 digits also have significance. So totally there are 5 significant figures. So for this number there are 5 significant figures. So which of the options should be correct? The option D. So 6.3200 joule. This has 5 significant figures. So comparing to the other 3, it is having the highest significant figures. Therefore, option D is the correct answer. So we have derived this answer by verifying the rules how to find the significant figures. Have you understood? Okay, now question number 6. If the value of pi is 3.14, then the value of pi square, to correct significant figures we have to find out. So what is pi square? Pi square is equal to 3.14 into 3.14. So if you find out the product of 3.14 and 3.14 using a calculator, means it is found to be 9.8596. So this is a 9.8596. Mathematically, we find that option A should be correct immediately. Some students will mark the answer A. But you see here, to correct significant figures, we have to write the answer. Is it not by rounding off? Actually, it is a product of 2 numbers. Each number is having 3 significant figures. Is it not? When you multiply 2 numbers having 3 significant figures, then the answer should have only 3 significant figures. Okay, here what is the number of significant figures for 9.8596? It is having 5 significant figures. So we have to round off to only 3 digits, 3 significant figures. So I am looking at the fourth digit, which is 9. 9 is greater than 5. So I can add. So I can add 1 to the previous digit. So this is rounded off as what? 9.86. So this number 9.86 is having only 3 significant figures, which is permitted. So now which is the correct option? You see here 9.86, option C is the right answer. Okay. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. I hope you have understood. Okay. Fine.